Hey creative minds, it's eat treat time. So are you ready to get something exciting? Because in today's video, I'm going to share with you some new and free resources that you can download and create anything. Just check out these mesmerizing unicorns. Have you ever seen something like this before? But now you can not only see them, you can get them for free and can use them in your videos, on your social media, in the posters if you are a teacher. You can create beautiful cards using all this stuff. And the best part of this video is I'm going to tell you that how you can get all this stuff for free to create and sell your digital products or whatsoever you want to create with these resources. I'm the facilitator here and you are the creator. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. But before you go any further, I think these beautiful unicorns deserve a like. So like the video, subscribe the channel if you haven't, and stay calm and please watch the complete video if you want to get most out of it. And now let's get started. So to get these free resources that I'm talking about, you need to sign in to this website, Creative Fabrica. I'll give the link in the description box. You can go there and simply click onto this website. Okay, so here it is. The link is in the description box and you will land on this page. Now here we are on Creative Fabrica, an amazing website where you have millions and millions of designs, graphics, fonts, freebies, coloring pages, and you just name it. So first of all, I'll show you some of the things and then I'll tell you how you can get these things for free. Let's check in fonts. If you want to get some fancy fonts, let's go for color fonts. And here you are. Check them out. You can click on these things, you can download them for free, but hold on. As you can see that they all are paid. So I'm going to tell you that how you can download them for free. And before we move any further, let's check out. We have 28 pages only around these fonts. And if you click on any bundle, for example, let's click spooky. So you will have the images here that what type of font you will get. You can use these fonts in making some greeting cards, in making your school projects if you are a teacher, or any design whatever you want to create. The best part of this website is this, that most of the items have a personal and commercial use license, so you can easily use these things for your YouTube videos, for your any creative thing, and you can even sell these items. Let's go back and check out some graphics. Here you are. Okay, in graphics, let's check out what we have. Unicorns, the beautiful unicorns. But let me show you something that I love the most. The most mesmerizing. Just go here and click on unicorn illustrations. And here you can see these beautiful black unicorns that I have never seen before, and I have already downloaded this resource. So you can also get these for free. Make some cards, make some birthday cards for little girls. They will love these unicorns. You can see the price, it's $5 on Easter sale, but I'll tell you how you can get this for free as well. Now let's go back and check out some teaching materials. Okay, here you can have some worksheets if you want to have some coloring pages, if you have pencil control activities, if you want to have some maths bundle or teaching time activities. You just name it, you can just download any of these materials for free, right? Look at the page number, we have 375 pages. It means we have thousands and thousands of these resources available. And you can see the grades are also mentioned here. So you will have pre-K, K, grade 1, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, even 10th and 11th grade. Do you believe this? This is amazing, simply amazing. Let's again go to graphics and check out the different things. You have logos, you have backgrounds, you have KDP interiors. If you want to make some coloring books and want to sell them on Etsy or Amazon, just go there. Look at these. These are some adult coloring books. Check them out. And here you are. On Amazon, you need to have at least 90 to 95 pages to publish a paperback version book. So here you have 100 pages. You can simply download this, give it a shape of book, and upload it on Amazon. And check this out, lifetime license for personal and commercial use. Nobody will come and claim for the copyright issue. So you can do this thing as well. You can do some earning from these free resources. Now let's move on to some crafts. You can have kids crafts, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Halloween. Let's have a quick look at Christmas crafts. If you want to download something from here, check this out. You can make some crackers, you can make some postcards or some party hats. Just scroll down, explore, and find out the thing that you want to have for free. Let's go for needlework. In needlework, you can learn how to do embroidery, knitting pattern, crochet, cross stitch pattern, quilt, a beautiful form of art, quilt pattern, and also sewing patterns. The next thing is that you can also take some classes from here. You can also go for some bundles and check out this as well. So here in bundles, you can have some fonts. Here we have 55 fonts in one bundle only for $1, but you don't even need to spend $1 because you can get this for free. You have 24 fonts and so on. Just keep exploring the site, keep diving into it, and you just see these things. Colorful pages, you can have quotes, you can have adult coloring pages, kids coloring pages. I am really excited after seeing all this and after knowing that we can get this for free. You also have some freebies and gift items as well. Now, after knowing all this, you must be thinking that when I will tell you how to get these things for free. So I'm giving you a link in the description box of the video. Simply go click on that link. You will land on a page like this. Then just click on whatever you want to download, for example, this, and click here. Activate free trial. Okay. You need to click here. Now you need to proceed to check out. Click on this. You can see this that the cart subtotal is 9, but because of the promo code that is written here, you are giving $0, right? So you are saving a lot of amount. Proceed to check out. Here you need to log in if you do not have an account, so you can log in either with your Facebook or log in with your Google. So it's better and easier to log in with Google. Just click here, enter your email and password, and there you go. Because I already have a, so you will land on the same page again. Now go there, and if you want to download this, click on download, and here you can see on the left corner it is downloading. A zip file is here. Now if I open this, I will get these images. Now I can use this image anywhere. If I'm making some cards, if I'm making any poster, if I'm making any illustration or a story, or wherever I want to use, I can use it freely. I can even sell it because it is mentioned here that commercial and full POD usage allowed. So isn't it exciting? But hold on, there is something more to this. You can download only 10 items if you take the free trial. However, if you take the monthly subscription of this website, so you can download each and everything whenever you want, wherever you want, right? So the price for the monthly subscription is $9 per month. And if you want to take the great deal, just check this out. You can get the yearly access just for 4.99 per month. But for this, what you need to do, you need to pay this amount once. That is way lesser than the normal price, that is $348, and you need to only pay $59 at once, and then you will have the access for the whole year. Whatever you want to download, you can download from here. If I tell you this in Indian currency, so it will be 407, rupees only. In UAE dirham, it will be 33 dirhams only. In PKR, Pakistani rupees, it will be around 1400, and then you can convert. If you want to get the yearly subscription, it's here. If you want to get the monthly subscription, so you can get it for $9 per month. That will cost you around 738 rupees in an Indian currency, 2500 in Pakistani rupees, and so on. There's another thing that I would like to mention here, that feel safe if you are paying anything on this website, or if you are populating your card details or your PayPal detail. Like, you can either pay through PayPal, or you can even go for credit card. So you need to fill your number and whatsoever the things are needed. So don't get worried, everything is 100% safe here. So feel free to write the details, or if you are using PayPal, this is the best thing. Proceed to PayPal and pay your bill. There is one more thing. You can cancel your subscription anytime. You can see it here. Okay, you can just have 1 month subscription and can cancel if you don't want to have it for the next month. If you are subscribing for the monthly package, but if you are getting the yearly package, pay only $59 once in the year, and if you divide it into 12 months, so you are paying only $5 per month. That is nothing as compared to the things that you are getting. So if you want to generate some side hustle, some side income, if you want to create your worksheets, or you want to create your poster for your school, you are a teacher, a mother, or a designer, this is the best opportunity for you. And if you still have some confusions that how will you use all these things, so I'm here to guide you. In the next videos, I'll show you that how you can make some greeting cards with these resources, how you can use them in your posters, in your worksheets, and so on so forth. Now I'm sure that you're gonna do the free trial right now, and also think about subscribing to the monthly or yearly bundle, because it's worth it. And with this is the end of today's video. I hope you have got something useful from it. If yes, so please hit the like button. If haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I shall see you soon with something new. Take care, bye for now, and don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.